Hey team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. Today we're going to be making a Vietnamese dipping sauce called Nuoc Cham. I'm going to be using my fish sauce that I got from Chef Duc in Vietnam. This one right here. So without further ado, let's get you started. Alright, so this one's very easy, very simple. What we're going to do is get 2 tablespoons of water over a bowl, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of high quality fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let that all dissolve. I've crushed some garlic up as well, which we're going to throw in. I'm going to chuck some lime in, some chilli in as well. I'm first going to squeeze the juice of half a lime straight in there as well. Give it a mix just to make sure that the sugar is all dissolved.
Nice.
As that's finishing up, pop in the 2 cloves of crushed garlic. Drop a little bit of chilli. So you can use any chilli you like really for this. Doesn't really matter. I'm just using some red chilli today. You can use bird's eye if you like it a bit hotter. Put it in. 3 more. Again, mix that all around. Smells incredible. So we're going to pop this into a little jar and leave it overnight. That way all the flavours will come together. Let's try and get this in one go. Near enough. Leave that overnight in the fridge, and let's check back in tomorrow. A little side note here, you can serve this straight up. I'm keeping it in the fridge overnight just to make sure it intensifies a bit more, but it's up to you. You can serve it straight up and it's absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.
Get that up, yeah.